Vamos, vamos, vamos.
You're making vlogs? Are you making vlogs or just photos?
No, just videos. Then I look at YouTube.
Is this like that kind of camera where you can like basically say people they put it in their mouth and they
No,
like,
this one is 360, so you can see everything.
nice.
Up, down, left, right.
Nice, fancy. Are we gonna be in your video?
Yeah, and to subscribe to my channel.
Nice.
But you know, I'm not like this YouTuber like, oh, hello, now we're here, you can get it. I don't do that. I'm just this one. And then whatever it talks, it's gonna be there. So be careful.
Oh, okay.
I remember once in Bologna, I had to mute some audience because otherwise we'll get banned.
From the EU, UAE or
We're talking about passenger profiles, you
oh,
know.
you know.
So you know
Yeah.
what I'm talking about. Oh, look at this place. They didn't have this one before. Outdoor couche, barbecue. What do they have here? Good price, yeah? Yeah, we can walk here until the end and then unless you wanna eat now.
I wanna eat now.
Like
I'm so
like
hungry.
straight. Who's playing? Who's playing?
I want my food.
Bundesliga. Borussia Dortmund. Typical cold captain. Well, the space is nice as well. Hugo Spritz.
I wanna yeah. There's no space.
Oh yeah, I forgot we are 80 bucks. But you know, these people they're gonna leave.
I love German. It's like so big water. What?
They've done a heck of a job of branding.
I think it's like to find a table for 8.
I think we better open the street behind it.
Then we can have more drinks here. Smile, you're in camera.
Camera loves me. Madam.
Hey, last time we came here, we sat down, we were 4 people on it, and we're drinking white wine like for hours with the sun. Oh, YouTube's gonna ban the video. When they put copyright music, YouTube does it. Oktoberfest is not finished, huh? No, no. El perrito ese, el pelo como tiene. He's a rocker dog. You see? This one here.
Yeah, see. And he has something in the ear.
Yeah, like earrings or something, right? They can? No. Even to dye the hair from dogs, you know? But if you go to Miami, you see that's nothing. Miami, what they do with the chihuahuas and all that stuff, that is está fuerte, ¿eh? She wanted to steal the kids' skate.
You will just hold it like the whole way.
I just done it too.
Yeah, you're gonna hold it like for the rest of the trip.
Let's see. So far it's interesting, you know? Different people, nice colors,
Is it filming this way or this way?
all
Oh, okay.
360. Then when you put the video, you can select where to go. It's like walking, yeah. It's like a VR tour. No, it's fine. Man kennt nicht so schlecht. Ja, ahora que somos 5, ahora estamos todos acá.
Ah, yeah. That gets made
Por ahí, todo ese tour lo grabé.
¿Cuántos sigas se va a ocupar esto?